Hello everyone, welcome back. So today again I'm here with another question of the chapter exponent power. So let's see the question. By what number should we divide minus 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 4 to get minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3? We did a similar question last time. We had to find a number which is to be multiplied to get some answer. So now today we have to find a number which is to be divided by this number, this given number, so that we will get this number. So let the number be x, okay? Let the required number be x, which is to be divided by this. Alright, so as per question, minus 3 upon 2 whole to the power minus 4 divided by this number x should be equals to minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3. Okay, and we have to find the value of this x. Alright, so we got an linear equation and we have to solve it now. Okay, so this will be written as it is. Okay, now since this x is over here, okay, and it is in division. Now in a linear equation we have to separate the variables and the numbers. Okay, so we have to write variables on one side of the equation and the numbers on one side. So let's move this x to here, to this side, and this number to this side. Okay, what I told you last time, if there is a number in multiplication or division over here, to move it there we have to change the sign. Okay, just reverse the sign. If it is here in division, if it goes to other side, the division sign will change to multiplication sign. So this will be equals to minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3. This will come over here as into x. Okay, for example, if we have 3 divided by 2 equals to 2 divided by 3. Alright, no, 6 divided by 4. Okay, so this can be alternatively written as 3 is equals to 6 divided by 4, and this 2 will come over here in multiplication sign. Okay, we can write this equation like this too. So the same thing I have done over here. Okay, so the next step will be I have to solve this. Since there is a negative power, so this will be written as 2 upon 3 minus whole to the power 4. Since there was a negative sign, the numerator and the denominator are reciprocated. Okay, this will be equals to, now let's move this minus 2 by 3 upon whole to the power 3 over here. Okay, since it is being multiplied on this side of the equation, after coming it to this side, it will change to division. Okay, so this will be divided by this. Alright, this is equals to x. Now this is equals to, we can see there are two similar bases, minus 2 upon 3. If we consider this whole number as a base, then we can see they are being divided. So we can according to the law of exponent, we can subtract the two powers by writing the base first. Okay, 4 minus 3, which is equals to x. Alright, this is equals to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 minus, okay, 4 minus 3 is 1, equals to x. So we got the value of x, which is minus 2 upon 3. Therefore the number to be divided by minus 3 upon whole to the power 4 to get minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3 is minus 2 by 3. Alright, I hope you have understood this. We had to find out a number which was to be divided by this to get this. Alright, so we have done nothing. We took that number as x and formed an equation and then solved for the value of x. Please like and share my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get more example sums of this chapter. Alright, so thanks for watching.